Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. This is Marybeth Angelelli here with TextBot AI. Wanted to come in here and do an updated TextBot AI video and bring you inside of my back office of TextBot AI, okay? Just to show you around a little bit and show you how simple the setup process is. So as soon as you join, you'll receive a welcome email with your TextBot AI login information, which consists of your email address that you use to register and join with, and your assigned password. You just simply utilize those two pieces of information, enter them into your login link, and voila. You'll land in your back office. This is the dashboard. To get set up, what you want to do, one of the first things that you want to do, it's really easy. You log in and you're going to come right up to the very top, the upper right hand corner, and you're simply going to click. This is where you're going to set up your profile with your information as well as your payment method option so that you can get paid those wonderful $100 commissions and $500 commissions if you decide to upgrade to Ava Plus, okay? So my profile right here, all right? And you're going to simply put your information in here, your full name, your email address, everything here, phone number, whatever you would like. You can put your picture and then that'll populate into this, okay? And then payment methods would be the second bit of information. Here's where you upload your photo if you so desire, and I do recommend that you include a photo. It's always good for personal branding and recognition, all right? So people know who they're doing business with, all right, which is very nice and important as well. Payment methods, okay. Now you can select however you wish to get paid. You can choose multiple options. I'll show you what's back here. There's PayPal, there's Cash App. I love Cash App. I use that. There's Venmo. There's Google Pay. I also use that. There's Apple Cash, credit card, Bitcoin, and Zelle. I also have Zelle set up. Okay, so you can choose whichever way or ways you would like to receive your 100% commissions. All right. Primary business. Now, this is a lead generation tool that will allow you to advertise whatever business that you want. Okay. Single reseller license where you can advertise one business with Ava for $100 and earn $100 commissions. And then if you decide to upgrade to Ava Plus, you can advertise multiple businesses and earn $500 commissions, okay? So that's very exciting. You can put whatever you want in here. Now, what I am doing and what I've elected to do is use TextBot AI to get me and secure me additional traffic for TextBot AI. So my primary business currently that I'm running with, that I'm using this TextBot tool, is TextBot itself. Okay, so how cool is that? And here is my primary business website, easydaily100.com, which I will drop in the description below. So you can just go there, enter your email address. You'll be redirected to the sales presentation where you're going to want to review that in its entirety from beginning to end, especially if you are serious and seriously considering becoming a new member of TextBot AI. You're going to want to listen to the presentation to the end, and then you'll be prompted to get started and make your payment, okay? So that is where you put your link to whatever business you want this to generate you traffic and leads for, okay? So coming over here, that's where you want to go first, okay? And there's, the quick links. There's your profile, pending payments if you have any, marketing links. That'll be the link to your sales page. Now you can promote this one of two ways. You get an assigned phone number that you can share and advertise your TextBot AI assigned number. And we're not using our personal cell phones whatsoever. And you also get a link that you can hook up a capture page, which is what I would recommend you do for the best results. And it'll redirect to your sales page and you can advertise and share a website. You have two wonderful choices. I'm currently using both and have been using both, okay? So we come over here to the left side, we click on this little icon here, and this is going to give us our complete dashboard right here, okay? So let's see, we're going to go right over here now, and I just made this a full screen so that you can see this, okay? And this is the dashboard. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you all your different options, and this tracks everything for you, all your traffic stats. Here is the link to your sales page right here. This is the little icon here, this little chain link right here, and this is your presentation, okay, that you can also share as well. This is where you're going to click on this little phone icon, and this gives you your assigned TextBot AI phone number. Mine happens to be 716-229-8845, okay? So you also have that option as well. And then what you'll do is, so this is what my results have yielded me to date. I've earned $25,100 with TextBot AI, and I've just been very consistent. I have a host of marketing videos out there where I share my different strategies. I just keep this simple, but the most important aspect is I am very consistent, and I just have fun sharing this. I share my phone number and I share my website, and it works very, very well. For example, I use free organic traffic, primarily Facebook, my timeline, Facebook stories, and I also continue and will continue to upload videos to YouTube. Those are my two best preferred free organic traffic methods. I also utilize some paid traffic methods. SMS Phone Leads, which is a really cool SMS blaster that you can send out daily text messages. And I also do email marketing to my email list. And I also build my email list largely through solo ads. Okay, I've got a lot of videos on that. I'll continue to share with you my best traffic sources and go through my marketing methods and strategies, which, you know, is very simple, very duplicatable. Anybody can utilize these. And I have two marketing systems that I'm using, my capture page being one of them. They have a really amazing TextBot AI marketing funnel. And I also use Get Fearless Freedom. Okay, so that's something that I can certainly discuss with you and help you to get all set up with whatever you choose. All right, as well as TextBot AI when you partner up directly with me. Okay, so unique hits, everything is here. I have to move over here, but I have a total of 5,894 hits to date. All right, this tracks your total signups, your total sales. This tracks you with your total signups on a monthly basis. This is all of your traffic statistics right here. Total signups, as you can see, and total sales. All right, total signups, total sales on a month-by-month basis. It breaks down all the stats. Recent signups all right here, recent opt-ins. So all of your tracking of your traffic and leads are all back here, as well as total sales. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. Here's Ava Basic. This will input all of your leads that come through your TextBot AI system. This is a chat feature. This is your settings, custom keywords where you can customize this to advertise whatever opportunity you want, and you can input your keywords for that home-based business opportunity. This is something new that's coming, so stay tuned. Personal evolution. So this is the Ava Basic, $100, pays you 100% commissions, allows you to advertise and generate traffic and leads for a single business opportunity and website. Okay. And then this is Ava Plus. This is the $500 option for you to upgrade to. And I am an Ava Plus member. Just wanted to let you know that as well. And this is where you're going to go out and be able to use this to advertise multiple businesses. Okay. And it's going to have a lot of features where you can utilize SMS text message marketing as well. Okay. So that is super exciting. This is for resellers. If you need help, this is where you go for support. And everything is very nicely bundled up and packaged up for you. And then what you would also do is you can buy your credits here. I believe that is within the, let's see, we're into the settings. Okay, so for your settings, you can put your primary business link right here, Easy Daily 100. That's my TextBot link. If you want to receive alerts when leads come through and signups come through, which I do recommend, then you just enter your personal cell phone, and every time you get a lead or a sign up, you'll be notified to your cell phone, okay? And then you can input a text, this message to all leads 24 hours after they opt in. And mine happens to read, "Thank you for your interest in TextBot AI." And to get more information, you can visit, and of course I have my website here, one of my websites, easydaily100.com, okay? And then you save your AVA settings. So this is really, really amazing. Absolutely love this. And then you go back up to your dashboard. But it's really, really simple. You just basically, your leads will all be here. You can chat. You can set up the chat feature here if you want to. All of your settings are right here. You just plug in these right here. Custom keywords, you can set all that up as well. This is something that's going to be new. This is the AVA Plus. So you can come here and you can watch this wonderful sales video right here to get all the information and the details on the upgraded AVA Plus option, okay? And then coming back up to the dashboard, this is all available and accessible through your back office. You got the resellers here, and here's all the features. You can just go in and explore, and test this. It tracks everything: commission history, unique hits, total signups, total sales on a month-by-month basis. Your inviters recommended business opportunities. So whatever you want to use this for to generate traffic and leads, as this is the primary function of TextBot AI, is a lead generation tool. We all need leads, folks. Leads are the lifeblood of every business out there in America today, okay? It's always been that way. It is, and it always will be that way. Without a fresh, ample supply of leads, folks, you're not going to be able to sustain your business activity, okay? Especially on a long-term basis. So this is an amazing lead gen tool. $100 commissions. When you resell this tool, folks, you're going to be able to earn those wonderful $100 over and over again. You upgrade to AVA Plus, you're going to be able to earn $500 commissions, and you're going to be able to utilize this to get you traffic and leads for multiple offers. Okay, so hopefully I have provided you with some insight, some excitement, inspiration as to what is possible. Now, have to get that out there, folks. Individual results will vary, obviously depending upon your personal effort, your consistency, your marketing methods. But this is what I've been able to generate, and my results, $25,100 to date, and I am making this video on August the 2nd, 2020. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. This is where you're going to come with your dashboard. You'll get all set up. If you have any questions, you need any assistance, folks, I am just simply a text or phone call away. You reach me. My personal cell is 330-787-1795. I will, of course, be making and uploading more videos with new content. I am super excited, folks. And for those of you who are in this home-based business industry, these are exciting times, folks, that we are entering into. This is the onset of the busy season. So I'm very, very excited to share with you TextBot AI. Stay tuned with more updates as more expanded features, options are available and become available, folks. Of course, I'll be back sharing them with you firsthand so that you know what's going on and you can stay fully up to date, up to speed, and in the loop with TextBot AI. Thank you so very much for spending the last 14 minutes with me, and I will see you soon on another video. Go ahead and like, subscribe to this channel. As I make new videos, you'll be notified, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.